Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best sewing machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Brother Sewing Machine. The GX37 features 37 unique, built-in stitches and an auto-size buttonhole. This sewing machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The Brother GX37 is perfect for a range of everyday sewing and quilting projects for every user from beginner to the advanced. The stitches are conveniently printed on the machine and selecting your stitch is as easy as turning the dial. The GX37 also features free arm sewing capability and ideal for sewing cuffs and sleeves. At number 6 we have Singer Sewing Machine. With the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine you can get professional results in no time. The extra high sewing speed of 100 stitches per minute means you can plow through projects 30% faster than a standard sewing machine. The stainless steel bed plate enables smooth fabric flow and the heavy-duty interior metal frame ensures skip-free sewing. The Singer 4452 sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of 1100 stitches per minute so projects can be sewn quickly. The 60% stronger motor than standard sewing machines allows it to sew through heavyweight fabrics with ease. This built-in feature helps you to effortlessly thread the eye of the needle without eye strain or frustration. The machine size is 15.5 by 6.25 by 12 inches. At number 5 we have Genome Sewing Machine. This vibrant sewing machine also has a built-in bobbin loading guide that's impossible to miss and is easily found within sight of the bobbin loading area. It is boasting convenient features like 15 of the most popular and versatile built-in stitches, a 4-step buttonhole adjustable stitch length and a front-loading bobbin system. This sewing machine will be one you can grow into. Don't let the fun colors fool you. This full-size sewing machine also has an interior heavy-duty metal frame, dual retractable spool pins and 4 presser feet. The Janome Arctic Crystal sewing machine is versatile so you can tackle projects like garment sewing, home decor, quilting and even heirloom projects with ease. At number 4 we have LUBI Sewing Machine. This is a portable sewing machine that is easy to operate and has a wide range of sewing materials. The low/high speed button is equipped for selection to keep safe and powerful. It has gently turn the knob to select the stitch, simply stitch out the style you like. It has a 4-step buttonhole presser foot for virtually perfect buttonhole sewing. You can take out the storage box. LUBI sewing machine is perfect for sewing sleeves and trousers. It is also fit for a wide range of everyday sewing projects and for advanced. At number 3 we have Mitchley Sewing Machine. The LSS 505 Plus desktop sewing machine has 12 built-in stitch patterns and is easy to use for all your basic sewing needs. This small, portable machine can be used with a 6V power adapter or 4 AA batteries. Its features include reverse sewing, sleeve sewing 2 speeds and an automatic bobbin winder. The machine comes with a built-in accessory storage drawer, sewing light and thread cutter. At number 2 we have Brother Sewing Machine. The CS5055 computerized sewing machine is the perfect package for beginners and seasoned sewing enthusiasts alike. With an LCD display screen you can choose from a range of 60 built-in decorative stitches including 7 styles of auto-size buttonholes to add embellished personal touches to your wardrobe. You can experience virtually effortless sewing on denim, tweed and other thick fabrics with the exceptional feed system. It has a fixed needle bar, limits movement while sewing for cleaner finishing, and an advanced needle threading system that makes threading easy. The durable metal frame construction allows your machine to tackle any project and the needle is fixed in place while you work, that's allowing for cleaner stitching and even lines. At number 1 we have Jukey Sewing Machine. It is updated with LED lights and 1-pedal operation, 1500 SPM for quilting, apparel and home decor. The Jukey 4452 sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of 1100 stitches per minute so projects can be sewn quickly. The 60% stronger motor than standard sewing machines allows it to sew through heavyweight fabrics with ease. The Jukey Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine is a true workhorse. The stainless steel bed plate enables smooth fabric flow and the heavy-duty interior metal frame ensures skip-free sewing. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best sewing machines for your need.